Bench testing a 1963 Cadillac non-fog light option headlight switch, serial number REDS 03042025, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dome courtesy light operation. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a fully charged battery, we're reporting now at 12.79 volts. During the run-up test, we're going to be boosting the battery. Now reporting 14.24 volts. Also during the run-up test, we're going to monitor the rheostat temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. Right now we're at ambient at 79 degrees. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, we have our tail, the parking lights. We'll set the rheostat to low and off. Again, first position, front parking, tail lights and dash lights set to low. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, have our tail, front parking. Second position, front parking lights come off, headlights come on. Back to first position, headlights are off, front parking lights come on and off. Test number 3, dome courtesy light operation. First position, and rotate the rheostat to the full bright position and ground the switch tab. An indication of the dome courtesy light and off. Second position, rotate the pull rod of the headlight switch. Dome lights are on. We see this feature is also available when switch is in the off position by grounding the tab, indication of the dome lights. First position, dome light. Second position, dome light. Back to first position, dome lights are off and off. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. First position, and rotate the rheostat to turn the dash lights off. And we go to mid-range. We see that the monitoring of the rheostat, we're now at 83, 84 degrees. Up from ambient of around 79 degrees. Full bright. Back to mid-range. To the low setting or dim setting. Off. Dash lights off. Dash lights at the minimum setting. Second position, headlight position. Rotate the rheostat mid-range. Full bright. Back to mid-range. To low. Dash lights off. Back to first position. Dash lights set at the low setting. Mid-range. Full bright. And off. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Delco running headlight switches had a built-in circuit breaker on the switch body. Demonstrate the function. Go to first position. The bimetallic arm, if there's a short in the vehicle wiring, bimetallic arm will expand and break the connection between the battery and the switch. This will protect the vehicle wiring and the switch. Again, overheating of the bimetallic arm. Expansion of the arm breaks the circuit between the battery and the switch, protecting the switch and the wiring. Second position, we see that feature is also available in the headlight position. Simulate expansion of the bimetallic arm. Breaks the circuit between the battery and the switch, protecting the switch and the vehicle wiring. Back to first position and off. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. I'll be using a standard 12-volt test light during this test. We see we have continuity back to the battery at the switch chassis. I'm going to demonstrate that the switch terminals are insulated from ground and we only have continuity back to the battery at the switch chassis. So terminal number 1, our dash light, it's our dash light feed, no continuity back to the battery. Battery terminal, no continuity back to the battery. Headlight, no continuity back to the battery. Tail lights, no continuity back to the battery. And parking lights, no continuity back to the battery. The only continuity we have back to the battery is at the switch chassis. This demonstrates that the switch terminals are insulated from ground.